नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
Nityananda, let's start the calm manifestation session. Let's sit straight, visualize Bhagwan in third eye, and start with the Sadguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Vandvatitam Gaganasarsham Tattvamasyaadilakshyam Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityananda, welcome to Sri Kailasha Kotiyar Manifesting Power Session. Welcome everybody. Such a beautiful darshan, Diksha, and Arunachala and Bhagavan together we saw. What a blessing. And Diksha into the Gayatri Diksha, Mantra Diksha, Shiva Diksha, and such a powerful initiation into that oneness space of Paramashiva. Again and again, Bhagavan gives us that higher reality for us to experience, but we do not recognize that beautiful space because of the confusion and because of all the struggle that we are going through, living in the outer world continuously. He said how water cleans up the inner space in different levels. All the Panchabhuta gets cleaned by the water element. Again and again, how in our body, the body is made of 70% liquid, where it gets cleaned again and again with the water. Everything around us also starts flourishing with water, cleaning with water. Even the baby in the womb is in the liquid water. Such a beautiful space that he says Panchapatni Vritam really invokes the higher consciousness, the inner space becoming more and more Paramashanta. The more we are in the space of Paramashanta, Bhagavan himself will start manifesting, and we can recognize that. Now we don't recognize it because of the delusion that constantly we are living in the outer world, the more and more the restful awareness starts happening inside us due to the Kriya Pada doing the puja in the way the puja has described, the Yoga Pada in the Brahma Muhurta, the way yoga has described with all the Shastra Pramana, and the Charya Pada, listening to Bhagwan's words, which initiates us into the higher consciousness itself, and Jnana Pada, us experiencing the powerful cognition as our reality. Understanding these great things and making it real in our life is the way Bhagwan leads us to the living enlightenment space, the Paramashanta Swarupa, Paramashiva himself residing in us. Again and again, we don't understand is only because our conflicts, which constantly goes on our inner space, when we are in Paramashanta Swarupa, we start listening to Bhagwan. How? When Shankaracharya, Adi Shankara, when he called his disciple Padmapada without having a second thought, he just ran across the river. In the river, lotus never get bloom, but the river makes the lotus flower for the disciple to put his feet on it and walk. And he just walked on the water because his guru called. He was in such a listening space to his guru and such oneness with the guru. All that he needed is just one word from guru, and simply he lives the enlightened space. Same way the Tatmasi becomes reality when we are in the receiving space. It is Guru's initiation that we start experiencing the enlightenment. But first, preparing ourselves to receive Guru's words is what Swamiji is again and again detoxing our body and to the subtler and subtler space for us to understand the higher cognition, higher reality, how Bhagwan is living and what he is giving the civilization. From the outer world, nothing looks correct, real, or chaotic. But from the inner space, Bhagwan is doing the highest possibility for humanity to start living as an enlightened civilization. To raise all of us, he's detoxing all of us by this Panchapatni Vritam, and doing that, we become more and more subtle in listening, in receiving what Bhagwan is giving. With that space of receiving, let's go to the Shastra Pramana today.
This Shastra Pramana is taken from the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 113, Dharana 87. Sampradayamimam Devi Shrunu Samyagvadamyaham Kaivalyam Jayate Sadyo Netrayo Stabdha Matrayo Sampradayamimam Devi Shrunu Samyagvadamyaham Kaivalyam Jayate Sadyo Netrayo Stabdha Matrayo.
Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 113, Dharana 87. The translation goes, O Devi, listen to this sacred tradition. I shall reveal it to you vividly, completely. Just keep your eyes completely wide open. Do not see or perceive anything by simply keeping it fixed with a steady gaze on the reality within. Here, beautifully, he says the Kaivalya, the aloneness, how the restful awareness inside us keeps us in the oneness space. And to keep that happening, the coherence that needs to happen in our brain to understand, to keep our thoughts and confusion and emotion all in the outer world as unclutched, and raising ourselves into the space of oneness with Paramashiva inside us, the Paramashanta Swarupa, the darshan that he gave, and all the diksha that he is giving, opening the heart center and visualizing Bhagwan again and again in your heart, and understanding the outer world, the delusion is unreal, and unclutching from that, the perception, do not see or perceive anything. The outer world is only the Maya, Bhagwan says. The more and more start contemplating on the higher truth, the inside us, the Hridaya, go on visualizing Bhagwan inside your heart, having all the darshans and diksha today, holding Bhagwan inside your heart and having the steady gaze on reality within. By the state of aloneness, Kaivalya, the oneness that expresses as extraordinary powers, and experience will occur immediately. When you hold Bhagwan in your heart and simply unclutch by your mind, and something beyond what you understand from the mind starts happening in you as a power manifestation. Again and again, Bhagwan gives us different possibility to understand the existential reality. In each of these sutra, it clearly defines that how the higher possibility is there for us. Now we'll go to the instruction. Today we are going to do the remote viewing of the sound, listening to the sound far off. You can find a partner, you can write down some words, and without mic, make sure you speak those words, and the partner will reveal and listen and write down those words. Now let's sit down and with your head, neck and spine in a straight line, continuously hold Bhagwan in your third eye. Contemplate on the truth of Tyaga, the Leela Dhyan Bhagwan has given, how the restful awareness will start happening. With so much of chaos, so much of thoughts happening again and again, the only restful awareness happens when we start doing the puja intensely with the instruction that is given. Why we do the puja, why we do the yoga, is to get that restful awareness, to catch the glimpse of restful awareness. That's why we start the day with the yoga and then go to the puja to settle down our inner space and then receive Bhagwan's words inside us, and then the Jnanapada, start living those words and experiencing that reality as manifesting power yourself. So contemplate on the great truth, how Bhagwan said, the rain literally cleanses everything in our body, inside our body, outside our body. Whatever it is happening, it is continuously cleaning. How this Panchapatni Vritam is cleaning us, detoxing us completely for 28 days to receive Bhagwan, to live the higher reality. Again and again, contemplate on these truths. Hold the Shaktipada with Bhagwan, the beautiful darshans that we got, and continuously chant the Mahavakya, the mantra diksha that just we received now. Again and again, chanting the mantra, the Mahavakya, the Jatagni starts connecting with Vedashanta to the higher reality. Again and again, when we have the continuous connection with the higher reality and contemplation and Shaktipada, simply the power manifestation happens as Shaktipada. The beautiful space of oneness starts expressing through us. Bhagavan starts manifesting through us, and we start receiving the ultimate oneness and ultimate manifestation through us. So let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan again and again in your third eye, contemplate on the great truth that he is giving us, and chant the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Ananda Paramashivoham. नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham.
Nityanandam, please go ahead and verify what each one has written and share it in Sri Kailasha Kotiyar Manifesting Power Group. A tiny URL is created for that. tinyurl.com/power manifestation. Bhagavan always says when you enrich, you are pulled out of delusion. And when you cause a person, you are in the space of how people will simply around us also start aligning to the higher reality. The more they listen is from the space that we listen to our inner space first. Such a beautiful space of oneness that Bhagavan has created from the Dikshas, Darshans, and experiencing that and the power manifestation itself. Please go ahead, share your powerful cognition, your powerful manifestation in the tiny URL link, and call everybody for more and more people to come to the satsang and receive the greatest blessing from their location itself. Such a great gift that Bhagavan is giving with Diksha and Darshan and weekend programs. Bhagavan is also giving us the Nityananda Gurukul for all the kids to enroll themselves and start experience the higher reality. This is once a week program happening all over the world in hundreds of locations. Simply they will contact you living and the kids get experiencing these great start manifesting all these powers. tinyurl.com/enlightenkids. If you would like to participate with this kids batch of kids, please go ahead and enroll yourself as Acharya registration new, and you can experience the greater reality by simply being with the kids who are living in the higher cognition, higher reality by manifesting Bhagwan's powers simply through them. Bhagwan has given the oneness with Avatar and the ultimate gift to planet Earth to experiencing Bhagwan as Arunagiri Yogeshwara himself as Bhagwan, and for us to understand how Bhagwan lived in Tiruvannamalai and how we can experience Tiruvannamalai as Bhagwan himself. Such a oneness with Avatar program is the greatest gift for all of us. Go ahead and enroll. If you've done Pada Puja, you can enroll one more person and get a discount. And if you're done Inner Awakening, simply by showing your devotion, by causing one more person for the program, you can come completely free for this program. Bhagwan is giving all this for us to experience the higher reality. So enroll yourself at nityanandahinduuniversity.org/daily satsang. Again and again, Bhagwan gives all these gifts for us to raise ourselves beyond the perceptionary world that we are in, only in the delusion continuously. And the weekend program that Bhagwan is giving us, enroll as many people as possible to have a glimpse of the higher reality. This happens on Saturday and Sunday, every Saturday and Sunday. So go ahead and register your friends, your families, and all your kids into nityanandahinduuniversity.org/daily satsang. Such a beautiful space of oneness. With that, let's surrender all these great powers and powerful cognition to Swamiji's lotus feet. Again and again, surrendering to Bhagwan's lotus feet makes us understand the higher reality. So let's, with a deep seeking and deep devotion, gratitude, let's ask Bhagwan to make this Leela Dhyan into our reality. So with that space of visualizing Bhagwan in your third eye, let's end with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Parmeshwaram Padakaarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Nityanandam. Don't forget the Tamil Satsang and Power Manifestation. See you in the next Power Manifestation session. Nityanandam.